What is ChatGPT? A beginner's guide. Have you ever wondered how AI can help you write, learn, and solve problems in seconds? Meet ChatGPT, your personal AI assistant. In this video, we'll break down what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can start using it today, even if you're brand new to AI. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It uses advanced technology called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, to understand and generate human-like text. Think of it as a smart tool you can chat with. It helps you write essays, draft emails, learn new skills, brainstorm ideas, or even have fun conversations. From students and professionals to creators and hobbyists, ChatGPT is designed to assist anyone, anywhere. ChatGPT is trained on vast amounts of text data from the internet. This helps it understand context and respond like a human would. Think of it like a really well-read assistant who can provide answers, advice, and suggestions based on what you ask it. But don't worry, ChatGPT doesn't have access to live internet data, so it doesn't know current events or private information unless you tell it. Step 1. Go to OpenAI's website or use apps that integrate ChatGPT, like certain productivity tools. Step 2. Type your question or prompt in plain language. The clearer you are, the better the response. Examples. Need to write a resume? Just say, "Help me create a resume for a software developer." Want to learn about space? Ask, "Explain black holes like I'm 10 years old." Advanced uses. You can also use it for coding, content creation, or even planning your day. Save time. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7 to help you with tasks. Boost creativity. When you're stuck on ideas, ChatGPT can give you that spark of inspiration. Learn and grow. It's a fantastic tool to explore new topics, improve your skills, and stay productive. While ChatGPT is incredibly smart, it's not perfect. It may sometimes provide incorrect or outdated information, so always double-check important facts. Avoid sharing personal or sensitive information, as your chats are not completely private. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that's here to make your life easier, whether you're working, learning, or just curious. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to use AI efficiently. Drop your questions about ChatGPT in the comments, and we'll answer them in the next video.